My beloved child, do you not know that I have been with you since the very beginning? Before the foundations of the earth were laid, I knew you. I formed you with purpose, shaped you with love, and breathed my very life into you. You are not an accident, nor are you forgotten. You are mine. Like this video, if you are blessed, I see the struggles you carry, the burdens that weigh heavily on your heart. I hear the silent cries that no one else hears, the questions that linger in the depths of your soul. Do not believe the lie that you are alone. I am here. I have never left your side. Even in your darkest moments, I was there, holding you, shielding you, whispering words of hope into your spirit. The world may try to tell you that you are not enough, that you are too broken, too weak, too flawed. But I tell you this, you are fearfully and wonderfully made. Every scar, every trial, every tear has been seen by me, and I am using them to shape you into the warrior I created you to be. Do not despise the process. The fire you walk through is refining you. The storms that rage around you are only making you stronger. You may feel weary, but I am your strength. When you feel like you cannot take another step, lean on me. I will carry you. My grace is sufficient for you. My power is made perfect in your weakness. Do not let fear dictate your steps. Walk boldly, knowing that I have gone before you, clearing the path, making a way where there seemed to be none. I have placed dreams inside of you, seeds of purpose waiting to bloom. Do not let the voices of doubt silence them. The plans I have for you are good. I have called you to rise, to shine, to bring light into the darkness. You were not meant to blend in. You were meant to stand out. There will be times when others do not understand you, when they turn away or speak against you. Do not be discouraged. They did the same to my son. But know this, no human opinion can cancel what I have spoken over your life. My word stands forever. When I say you are chosen, you are chosen. When I say you are loved, you are loved. When I say you are victorious, you are victorious. Let go of the shame of yesterday. I have already washed you clean. Nothing in your past can separate you from my love. My mercy is new every morning. Run into my arms and let me restore you. Let me remind you of who you are. Lift your head, my child. This is not the end of your story. The doors that seemed closed are about to open. The battles that seemed lost are about to turn in your favor. The prayers you thought I did not hear, I have been working on them all along. My timing is perfect, and I am never late. Trust in me. Walk in faith. Keep your eyes fixed on me, and I will guide you to places you never imagined. I love you with an everlasting love. Your Father in heaven. Subscribe if you trust in God's plan. My beloved child, do not let the voices of doubt silence the truth I have spoken over you. The world may whisper lies, telling you that you are not enough, that you are unworthy, that your past defines you. But I have declared otherwise. You are redeemed. You are restored. You are made new in me. Every battle you have faced has only refined you, strengthened you, and prepared you for the greater things ahead. Do not let fear hold you captive, for I have given you a spirit of power, love, and a sound mind. When you walk in my presence, no weapon formed against you shall prosper. The enemy may try to shake your faith, but stand firm, for I have clothed you in my armor. Keep your eyes on me, my child. Do not be distracted by the noise of the world or the storms that rage around you. Fix your heart on my promises, for they are yes and amen. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand, and I will lead you in the way everlasting. Take heart and step forward with courage. The doors I am opening for you cannot be shut. The blessings I am pouring out cannot be hindered. Your testimony will be a light to those still walking in darkness. Do not be afraid to share the story of my faithfulness, for through it, many will come to know my love. You were created for such a time as this. I have placed you exactly where you need to be. Trust that my plans for you are greater than anything you could ever imagine. With steadfast love, your Father. Type Amen to claim it. My beloved child, I see the desires of your heart, the prayers you have whispered in the quiet moments, the longings you have dared not speak aloud. Nothing is hidden from me. I know the dreams I have placed within you, and I have not forgotten them. Though the waiting may seem long, do not grow weary, for I am working all things together for your good. My timing is perfect, and my plans for you are unfolding even now. Do not be discouraged when the answers do not come as quickly as you hope. Delay is not denial. I am strengthening your faith, refining your character, and preparing you for the doors I am about to open. Trust me, even when you cannot see the way ahead. Walk by faith, not by sight, for I am leading you step by step. Hold fast to my promises, for they are unshakable. When you feel weary, come to me, and I will give you rest. When your heart is heavy, cast your burdens upon me, and I will sustain you. I am your provider, your protector, your ever-present help in times of trouble. You do not have to strive or prove your worth. You are already loved beyond measure. My grace is sufficient for you, and my mercies are new every morning. I delight in you, my child. Rest in my love and know that I am for you. The road ahead is filled with hope. Keep your faith strong and know that I am guiding you toward a future more beautiful than you can imagine. My beloved child, do you not see? I have been with you through every storm, every valley, every silent tear that fell in the night. You have never been forsaken, never abandoned. When you felt alone, it was I who held you close. When the burden grew too heavy, it was I who carried you. You have questioned your strength, but I tell you now, my strength is made perfect in your weakness. Do not fear what lies ahead, for I have already gone before you. I have made the crooked paths straight. I have cleared the obstacles that once seemed impossible to overcome. What the enemy meant for harm, I have turned for your good. Every setback was a setup for something greater. Every closed door was my hand guiding you to something better. Trust in my timing, for it is perfect. Look up, my child. Lift your head. The weight of shame and regret has no hold on you anymore. I have washed you clean. I have called you by name, and you are mine. Nothing, no mistake, no failure, no force in heaven or earth can separate you from my love. Rise up with boldness, with confidence, with joy. The world may not understand the fire I have placed in you, but do not dim your light to make others comfortable. Shine, my child, shine for my glory. I have anointed you to bring hope, to speak life, to declare my promises. Do not hold back, do not shrink away. You are chosen, you are set apart, and you are deeply loved. Walk forward in faith, knowing that I am with you always, even to the end of the age. I am your God, your refuge, your rock. In me, you will lack nothing. In me, you will find peace that surpasses all understanding. I am calling you higher. Will you trust me? Will you step into the purpose I have prepared for you? The time is now. Walk with me, and I will show you wonders beyond your imagination. Type 1111 to claim it. My beloved child, there is nothing hidden from me. Every silent cry, every longing of your heart, every moment of doubt. I have seen it all, and yet I have never turned away from you. My love for you is unshaken, unwavering, unending. Even when you have strayed, my mercy has called you back. Even when you have stumbled, my grace has lifted you up. You are not beyond redemption, for I have written your name on the palm of my hand. Do not let the past hold you captive any longer. The chains have been broken, the weight has been lifted. I am not looking at who you were, I am calling forth who I created you to be. Rise, my child, walk in the freedom I have purchased for you. The lies of the enemy have no power over you. The shame that once covered you is no more. You are washed, you are cleansed, you are made new in me. Do not be discouraged when trials come. They are not sent to destroy you, but to refine you, to strengthen your faith, to bring you closer to me. Gold is purified in the fire, and so too are my children. In the moments of hardship, when you feel you cannot go on, lean into me. Let my presence surround you. Let my peace fill you. I am near to the brokenhearted, and I bind up their wounds. Trust that even in the pain, I am working all things together for your good. I have placed a calling upon your life that no one can take away. You are chosen for a purpose far greater than you can imagine. The gifts I have given you were not meant to be hidden, but to be used for my glory. Do not be afraid to step out in faith. I will equip you, I will sustain you, and I will open doors no man can shut. The dreams I have placed in your heart were not given by accident. I will bring them to fulfillment in my perfect time. Lift your head, my child. Stand firm in my promises. Speak life where there is darkness. Show love where there is hate. Extend grace where there is judgment. Be my hands and feet in a world that desperately needs me. I have called you to be a light, to shine with a fire that cannot be extinguished. Do not let fear silence you. Do not let doubt keep you from stepping forward. I am with you, and I will never leave you. The path ahead is filled with promise. There are blessings beyond what you have asked for, miracles beyond what you have hoped for, and joy beyond what you have imagined. Keep walking, keep believing, keep trusting. I will never fail you. With eternal love, your Father. Type Amen if you agree. Like this video if you believe in God. Subscribe this channel for more videos.